Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, view and test. TP-Link Archer MR505 4G Plus AC 1200 dual band Wi-Fi LTE router on a 2.4 and 5 GHz, full Gigabit Ethernet ports, MIMO technology, eSIM-S compatible, great seamless Wi-Fi, advanced security with WPA3, LTE Cat6, SIM plug and play. Connect up to 64 devices on a fast 4G plus mobile broadband speed with 2 times more LTE speed. And of course, you can control this router from the Tether app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. We have the manual. The power adapter with an output 12 volt, 1 amp, 12 watts power consumption. And the cable length it is 1.5 meters. One Ethernet cable, 1.2 meters, Cat5e. And the router on a white glossy. At the back we have the ventilation, this cover for the antennas. Use this tool to remove the cover. Antennas not included at the box. I don't like that. It is only 2 antennas, just include 2 antennas at the box, TP-Link. And I will use my antennas. These 2 antennas, it is for the 3G, 4G plus. And of course I will make a speed test with and without the antennas. Now in my area I have very good coverage. For a 5G, 4G plus, it doesn't matter. And you can adjust, of course. We have 3 LAN ports. The first port, it is an 1 port. You can connect other router, access point, whatever you want. We have the reset WPS button and the power port. And here at the bottom, you can insert a nano SIM card. Use this tool. And at the front we have some LED indicators. I will explain later. It feels very robust. I like how it looks. Let's plug it in and start the setup. Tether app. I have some other devices from TP-Link. Add a device, add a router. LEDs are solid on. You can enable camera and scan the QR code. There is no QR code, so I will enter manually. Go to your Wi-Fi settings and I need to choose the TP-Link 823, 2.4 or 5G. And you need to enter the password. The password it is at the bottom where is the SIM card located. And connect. Connected. Let's go at the app. I'm connected. Set up device. Insert the SIM card. Done. Set device password. Next. The profile for the provider of the SIM card. Next. Set wireless network name and password. Test. Next. And here we have all the informations, the device password, the network name, Apply. Later I will change the Wi-Fi name and password and connect all my devices from my home at this router. Up to 64 devices. Let's see if it can handle that. Go at the Wi-Fi settings again and connect to this network. Are you satisfied with the setup process? Yes, it's perfect. Working well. The LED indicators, power on, the internet on, Wi-Fi on for the Ethernet port, and here we have another 3. This indicator shows you the internet quality from your network, first line, second and third. If all that LED indicators are not solid on, try to relocate the router to a spot that may receive a stronger mobile network, such as near the door or the window. Network status, some information about the network, client I will show you later, data settings, the usage, total or monthly, total, adjust, megabyte or gigabyte, total data usage limit, you can adjust, alert off or on SMS alert, enter your phone number, guest network, turn on the guest network, you can create a guest network, security, scan now, public IP lookup, MAC lookup, antivirus, family, parental controls, create a profile, more, Wi-Fi settings, 2.4 and 5 GHz network, you can enable the Smart Connect. I like my network separately. Advanced, security, hide the network, 2.4 GHz, you can choose N, GN or BGN, channel width 20 or 40 MHz or auto, channel auto from 1 to 13, 5 GHz, mode AN, NAC, ANAC, channel width 20, 40 or 80 MHz, auto, channel auto or 36 to 48. 2.4 GHz network, you can change the name or the password, and advanced, we have seen that. Same settings. 5 GHz, you can rename the network or the password. Advanced, we have seen that again. And of course you can share the password. Quick setup, information to set your SIM card, internet connection, information for the provider, mobile data, you can enable the data roaming, network mode, 4G preferred, 3G or 4G only, band, auto or you can choose, depending the network. Guest network, again you can create, network diagnostics, perfect, SMS, inbox and send, new message, add the recipient, or text. I like this feature, you can send SMS through your LTE router. Data settings, we have seen that, PIN management, set a PIN to the SIM card, never do that. Easy mess, enable disable, mode, main router, show list, disable, I don't have a second router. External antennas, I have installed external antennas, so I need to enable that. Operation mode, wireless router or LTE getaway. LED control, you can switch off or enable the night mode. Manager, you can bind this router with your TP-Link ID and access the router anywhere at any time. Very convenient. System, firmware update is up to date. Manage password for the device, reboot and factory default restore or log out. So many settings, I like that. Network, clients, 26 clients, 2.4 GHz 21 clients, and 5 GHz 5 clients. You can choose one of these. Some information, MAC address, IP address, download, upload, the signal, total traffic usage, joined 23 minutes ago, family member. You need to create a profile, and block. If you want, you can unblock from here or go at the block list, there it is, and unblock. Or you can select clients or add by MAC address. As I have a strong 5G network in my area, it makes no difference whether the antenna is installed on the router or not. Some advantages of the Archer MR505: portability, perfect for travelers, construction sites, events, temporary offices, remote workers, or temporary setups where traditional internet access is unavailable. Fast connectivity, 4G LTE Cat6 and dual band Wi-Fi ensures reliable and high-speed internet, always depending on the quality on the mobile network coverage. Easy to use, simple setup and management via the TP-Link Tether app. Versatility, can be used as a primary router, backup internet solution or mobile hotspot. And that's it everyone, we've just taken a closer look at the TP-Link Archer MR505 4G Plus Wi-Fi dual band router, and I have to say this is a fantastic solution for anyone who needs reliable, high-speed internet on the go, whether you are traveling, working remotely, or just need a backup connection at home. This router delivers fast 4G plus speeds and dual band Wi-Fi in a compact and easy to use package. If you are someone who values portability, flexibility and strong performance, the Archer MR505 is definitely worth considering. It's perfect for travelers, digital nomads, or anyone who needs a dependable internet connection wherever they are. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, networking tips and gadget guides. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay connected, stay productive, and I'll catch you later.